Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for coming back for some more cleaning motivation. Today I am working in my living room area and I am just trying to catch up on some stuff that I haven't done around here, like dusting and vacuum cleaning and really giving my sofa a little bit of a detailed clean. It was just time to get to it on that and really get that done. So I hope this video gives you a ton of cleaning motivation.
More than just a pretty face, so girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love up beside of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart to be. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
So this couch has definitely seen some love during this season of life that we're currently in. And we have just been using it more as a family since we've been home so much. And, you know, just cuddling on the couch and eating snacks on the couch and watching movies and things like that. And so I really wanted to just do a spot treatment because I found a few little like sticky stains and I wanted to go ahead and just refresh the couch a little bit. So I'm using my fabric cleaner that I got from Rooms to Go. So we have the fabric protection on the sectional, and we got it at Rooms to Go. And so basically if this doesn't remove whatever stain we have, then I can call them about the stain. But believe it or not, it got every little spot that I had treated. And then here you can see all of the crumbs. And I was just tired of feeling all of those when I was sitting down. It just does not feel good to sit on crumbs. So I just wanted to make sure that I gave this couch a nice refresh and showed it some love.
Down, down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah. us no more. We're done now. No us no more. No, no. We're done now. No us no more. We're done now. No us no more. We're done now. No us no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just
And I love using this Tide antibacterial fabric spray. I started using it at the beginning of the year, and soon after COVID started, I was left with like one bottle, and then after that I couldn't find it for the longest time because of course it's antibacterial spray, and I was so sad about it. And then the other day I found it again, so I was ecstatic about that because I just love using it for the couch. And then I just wanted to make sure that I kind of just disinfected the remote controls.
now what's the vibe? Is it party time? Wanna move my feet? Wanna drink my wine? Feeling the vibe. We are so lit. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe. Feeling so fly. Wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight. And you shine like gold. I can't get enough now. Let me come real close. Baby, strike a pose. Ooh, all eyes on you. Make room on the dance floor now. What you gonna do? So get up on your feet and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. On your feet, yeah. And get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. Now what's the vibe? It's a party time. Wanna move my feet now. I wanna drink my wine. Feeling that vibe. We're so alive. Is it me and you now? Let me smoke that pipe. Oh, feeling so fly. Wanna dance with you. Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight. And you shine like gold. I can get enough now. Let me come real close now. Baby, strike a pose. Ooh, all eyes on you. Make room on the dance floor now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? So get up on your feet, get up on your feet, and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. On your feet, and get on down, and get on down. Real low, low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. Get up on your feet, and get on down, and get on down. Real low, low, real low, real low. Yeah.
So after I cleaned the living room and the table, I wanted to get these bins cleared out and just a little bit organized. These are activity bins that I made for my kids for when school started, since we're doing distance learning right now. And so because I have a 3-year-old and then my 7-year-old, when she's on a break, I give her this to just have some kind of activity to do. And as you can see, it's recently just gotten a little bit crazy. Plus, I also want to change them out for October because they have been working really well, so that we're not turning on the TV, and if we're not reading a book or watching a story online, then they're picking out something to do from this activity bin. So I definitely need to update it for October, but at least I've got it cleaned out, and maybe they'll get a little bit more use out of what's in here now. found some motivation in today's video or just enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new, please hit that red subscribe button. I'd love to have you here as a part of my community. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me your favorite emoji in the comments down below so that I can show you some love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless, guys. Bye.
Keep getting thicker, we watch it go down.